Hello and welcome to A Year in the Garden. Gardening isn't just for spring and summer. With some planning, you can enjoy fresh produce all year round. That's right, we're talking about year-round vegetable gardening, the gift that keeps on giving. Before we start planting, we need a plan. A well-thought-out garden plan is the foundation of a thriving garden. It helps you visualize the layout and ensures you make the most of your space. Sketch out your garden space. Consider the size and shape of your garden and think about what you want to grow. Choose the sunniest spot for your vegetables. Most vegetables need at least 6 hours of sunlight a day to thrive. Remember, the sun's path changes, so note shady areas too. This will help you decide where to plant shade-loving plants. Ensure easy access to water and pathways wide enough for a wheelbarrow. This makes maintenance easier and more efficient. A well-thought-out plan sets the stage for a successful garden. With careful planning, your garden will be both beautiful and productive. Now comes the fun part, choosing what to grow. Spring brings crisp lettuce, radishes and spinach. Summer offers tomatoes, peppers and cucumbers. Autumn is for root vegetables like carrots and beetroot. Winter features frost-resistant heroes like kale, leeks and Brussels sprouts. Healthy soil is the foundation of your garden. Add organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure. Test the soil's pH level. Most vegetables prefer slightly acidic soil. Work compost into the top few inches of soil. Create a welcoming environment for your plants to flourish. Spring. The season of renewal and growth is upon us. The soil is warming up and it's time to sow seeds. This is the perfect moment to get your hands dirty and start your garden. Plant cool weather crops like lettuce. These hardy greens thrive in the cool temperatures of early spring, and spinach directly into the ground. Spinach is another excellent choice for this time of year. Start seeds indoors a few weeks before the last frost for an early start. This gives your plants a head start and ensures a bountiful harvest. Peas are great for spring planting as they can tolerate the cooler weather, climbing their supports as they grow. Make sure to provide them with a sturdy structure to climb on. Harden off seedlings started indoors before planting them outside. This process helps them acclimate to the outdoor environment, ensuring they thrive in your garden. Summer is the time for heat-loving vegetables. Tomatoes need a sunny spot and plenty of water. Stake them up for support. Peppers thrive in the summer heat. Plant them alongside basil. Cucumbers add a refreshing crunch to salad. Give them space to sprawl. Enjoy the abundance of summer's bounty. Autumn is the time for root vegetables. Carrots and beetroot add vibrant colors and flavors to your garden. Radishes provide a peppery bite to autumn meals. These hardy vegetables can be left in the ground until the first frost. Store them in a cool, dark place to enjoy throughout the winter. Winter may seem dormant, but there's still life in the garden. Hardy greens like kale and collard greens thrive in cooler temperatures. Brussels sprouts become sweeter after a frost. Use row covers or cloches to protect winter crops from harsh frosts. These mini greenhouses trap heat and provide insulation. A year-round vegetable garden is a journey of planning and patience, and start by mapping out your garden space, considering the sunlight, soil type, and the types of vegetables you want to grow. Regularly inspect for pests and diseases to catch problems early. Use organic methods like neem oil or insecticidal soap to manage infestations without harming beneficial insects. Rotate your crops each year to prevent pest buildup and soil depletion. This practice also helps in maintaining soil fertility and improving crop yields. Embrace the changing seasons, each bringing unique beauty and challenges. Plan your planting schedule to make the most of each season's conditions. Enjoy the journey, from the first spring seedlings to the last winter harvest. Each stage of growth offers its own rewards and learning experiences. Keep learning and adapting for continuous success. Stay updated with the latest gardening techniques, and don't be afraid to experiment with new methods. Well, there you have it. Everything you need to start your year-round vegetable gardening adventure. Don't be afraid to experiment and learn from your mistakes. Enjoy the journey and the satisfaction of harvesting fresh, homegrown food.